Hi friends, this video shows how to increase internal storage of this Google TV Streamer 4K device from 26 GB to 1 TB plus 26. So by default, see, this is the size it shows, total space 26 GB. I am going to increase this to 1 TB plus 26 GB. Here I will be using this SSD storage. This is Samsung T7 Shield SSD storage 1 TB. Here I am using this multi-port USB hub that is connected to this Google TV Streamer 4K using this USB Type-C cable. Here you can see one white cable, that is a power cable that is connected to this PD in port of this USB hub. Here you can see one black cable that is connected to this Samsung SSD storage. This is a setup. After this, in TV, let me go to settings. Set all settings from top right corner. Go down. Set system, then go down, set storage, and here you can see this Samsung 1 TB SSD under this removable storage. Select it. So first we need to format this SSD storage as device storage. Set this option, erase and format as device storage. Set format. You should be careful because this operation will delete all data from your SSD. Please take backup before using it as internal storage of Google TV Streamer 4K device. Please wait. Done. Here you can see two options, move now and move later. Using this move now option, you can move some photos, files, apps and games from internal storage of Google TV Streamer to this Samsung SSD. We can also do this operation later. Let me go back. See, now you can see the device storage of this Google TV Streamer has been increased. Earlier it was only 26 GB. Now it shows 1 TB plus 26 GB. Okay. So now we can move some data from internal storage of this Google TV Streamer to this Samsung SSD. We have two options to move data. Go to this Samsung SSD drive. Here you can see migrate data to this storage. We can use this option or we can manually move some apps and games. Go down, select apps, then select see all apps. And here you can see all apps installed in this device. Let me select one app. Go down, set storage used. Here you can see right now this app installed in internal storage of Google TV Streamer. So we can change that to Samsung USB drive. Let me change. Now it's moving that app to Samsung SSD. Done. Let me verify. Again set this storage used. See, now it shows Samsung USB drive. We can also move it back if you want. Let me move it back to internal storage. Done. See, so this way we can manually move some apps and games from internal storage to this external Samsung SSD. This way we can increase internal storage of Google TV Streamer 4K. You can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.